Hey guys, I am Daddy the tutor, and once again welcome back to our channel. As I promise you in my first YouTube video, after those introduction video of HTFOX application, I upload my live trading performance. And it will help you to understand trading. So guys, here I create this video. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. As you can see in my mobile screen, it is dated 5th October 2021, and today we have received the sell signal from FEI. So before trade, we need to calculate the lot size, the service charge, and the aim profit. In FEI, one lot is 1,280. And the formula to calculate lot size is amount divided by 1280. And I wanted to trade with $249. So simply I divided 249 to 1,280, and got my lot size. Then we find our service charge. The formula of calculating service charge is lot multiply by 80. So I multiply my lot size to 80, and got the service charge amount. Then we find our aim profit. The formula is service charge multiply by 1.5. So I multiply my service charge to 1.5, and calculate my aim profit. It's that simple.
Damn!
Remember, there are different calculations in other two stocks. So do your calculation properly. I mentioned that calculations in my video description, so take a screenshot of it, or note it down in your notebook. And still you have confused about calculations, so directly text me in Telegram, but there I provide you the calculator application of HTFOX. All clear, so let's go to trade. This is our today's sell signal from FEI. You can see the entering time and close before timing. So I open my HTFOX application before entering time start. So directly go to trade option and click on stock index, then select FEI and click on sell button. Then I enter my lot size, and wait for the entering time begins. When the entering time reach, I place my order and click on confirmed button. And wait for my aim profit.
Mi sono alzato, oh vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. Una mattina mi sono alzato e ho trovato in vaso. Oh partigiano, portami via. Vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. Oh partigiano, portami via, che mi sento di morire. Sei un muoio da partigiano. Vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. Sei un muoio da partigiano. Tu mi devi seppellire e seppellire la sua montagna. Vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. E seppellire la sua montagna sotto l'ombra di un bel fiume.
We did it! We won, I tells you! Folks, please, hang on for 1 second. Just talk amongst yourselves for a second.
Hold up!
Remember, close your trade before closing timing is reach. Don't be greedy. Don't be stay long time. Okay guys, I hope you all understand how to trade. I wish you all gain some good profit in this application. And yes, for the free signals, use my promo code 2026893 before register in this application. And text me in Telegram, bot there I provide you free signals. Bye guys. I know you will like and subscribe our channel after watching my previous video. So I no need to worry about it. And last, all I wanted to say you is,
scientifically, it could be possible.
be kind to everyone's, and spared lots of love.
And the party is on.
I know karate, I know jujitsu, drive like a